Membrane attack complex. The membrane attack complex is the complement complex C5b6789. It is called MAC for short. Complement is a blue protein that, when activated, causes immune phenomena. They are rarely divided into 9 categories. C1 to C9. C1 is further divided into C1Q, C1R, and C1S, while C2 to C9 are divided into 2 groups, A and B. MAC is formed when C5, B, C6, C7, C8, and C9 of them combine to form C5, B6, 7, A, 9. There are 3 pathways by which MAC is activated. The first is a classical pathway, which begins with activation of C1. The second is the second pathway, which begins at C3. The third is the lectin pathway, which begins at C4. In the classical pathway, it begins with activation of C1 by the immune complexes bound to the antigen and antibody. Next, C4 is activated, followed by C2, C3b, C5b, C6, C7, C8, and C9. C6 binds the activated C5b to form C5b6. Similarly, C7 binds the C5b6 to form C5b67, and finally C5b6789. The second pathway begins with some bacteria attaching directly to C3 and activating C3. With C3b being activated, similar to the classical pathway, from the middle C5b, C6, C7, C8, and C9 are activated in that order. Finally, MAC is formed. In the lectin pathway, MBA produced in the liver binds the bacteria and activates C4. Therefore, as in the classical pathway, C2, C3b, C5b, C6, C7, C8, and C9 are activated in that order. Finally, MAC is formed. MAC creates holes in the cell walls of bacteria. These holes allows water and salts to pass through freely, and the bacterial cell membranes are disrupted by the abnormal atomic pressure.